Hey, this is Sandy, and I'm so glad that you're joining us today. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about how much to budget for your kitchen renovation cost, the overall project, and I think you're going to have a few surprises, so make sure that you keep watching. So I love talking about kitchen renovations. As you can tell, we've done about 2 or 3 in the series that talk about the before and after process, the different areas that you can touch on, the 25 areas. Again, before we get started, download your ultimate home improvement guide that goes through a checklist to keep you on track as you are trying to decide the different renovations that you're going to do for your kitchen start to finish. But today specifically, we're going to talk about the cost. Now, we're a budget-friendly site, so cost to us is kind of paramount over all the other things that you can do. And I don't know about you, but for me, I look at what some of the dreamy things are. I love to look through HGTV and to go on YouTube and look at these sites that are like, you know, top 1 million mansions or top $1 million kitchens in mansions across California, whatever. They get me every time. But when it comes down to it, if your budget cannot support that, to me, our whole tagline is to help you save more so that you can do more. I love my kitchen. I'm super happy with my kitchen. Did it have everything that I wanted? No. But it does have everything that I possibly could have imagined within the budget that I had to spend, and I still can do other things. I don't want to be house poor. I don't want to be kitchen poor, and so I'm going to preach that till the cows come home. If you don't subscribe to that, then this is not for you. But I wanted you at least to know my heart of when we go into the cost of something, because you are my audience and I want to serve you, but I want to serve you with what our end goal is in mind, and that is to help save more so that you can do more. So let's get started in the cost of a kitchen. So if you have high taste and you're gonna go high end on all of your things, you will come to an end of your budget, depending on what that budget is, and therefore you need to go back and see what can I maybe do midline, or what can I do inexpensive and still be okay with it. So that's my first thing, is to, on your ultimate home improvement guide, I actually might add some categories here because I want you to price out what is the price for, let's say, refrigerator. Depending on all the different makes and models that you can get, you can go low end, you can go middle, or you can go high end. Oh my word, this is the most amazing thing ever. If that refrigerator is gonna cost a third of your budget, then you have to make sure that you adjust everything else accordingly. So that's just a simple tip. I'm gonna get a little real with you here on my second tip, and that is, I have a lot of people complain, I don't know how to do that. Oh, I could never do that. And yet they want to stay within their budget. So I think you need to get real with yourself when you're doing the cost of your kitchen. What is it that you just cannot do? You don't have the skill set to do, you don't have the time to do, you don't have the energy to do, you don't have the desire to do. And hire out. I have one friend who will always say, yeah, I bet you and your husband would do this, we just hired it. And if you have the money to do that, great. But if we're talking about staying within the budget and the cost of the overall kitchen, I have so many friends sometimes that will say, well, I had to have this, 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 hired it out to do it all. Or I've read a lot of reviews on budget-friendly kitchen renovations, and they hired everything else. Well, then I want to know what that budget is, because if your budget is $10,000 to do an entire kitchen, then there are some things that you're going to have to come down on, maybe the low or middle end, and not have high end. So I just want you to get real with that concept. And after we've already talked that with number 1, but number 2 is you might have to do some of the work. And if you have to do some of the work in order to stay on budget, then let us help you. Or let the suggestions that we have, or the suggestions that YouTube says after one of our episodes, go over there and start researching. Yes, sometimes it's not ideal and I'd rather pay somebody just to do it. That's for sure. But at the end of the day, the cost of your kitchen for the renovation, you have to know what your budget is and where you're wanting to divide it into, and what jobs you want to do and what jobs you just have to hire out. So decide that. So another thing that will affect the cost of your kitchen is how small or how large you're doing, how large of a space it is, and if you're choosing to do it all at once or if you want to chunk it up into projects. Okay, so for another tip on the kitchen renovation, the cost of it, we're going to look at these nice to have and bells and whistles. So we talked about the low end, medium, and high range of items that you can purchase. And then when it comes to those low, medium, and high, there are some excesses such as like the specialty drawers. You can get a lot of cabinets and have them be your basic fundamental drawer that pulls out and then the cabinet. They can still be quality wood, they can still be handcrafted, they just don't have the specialty item of it, such as a garbage or like a garbage drawer that you can pull out, which we have one, or I know a friend has a cookie rack that is part of her drawer. And the thing is that those will help you cut down the cost if you don't do a lot of the extras. Now, what I found was when I was working with certain companies for that month or that special or that range of cabinet that you were doing, sometimes they will throw in some of the specialty items at no more additional cost. So you want to check with the people that are helping you design your kitchens and your cabinets or the different specialty items that you have to see if there are those upgrades in the months that you are planning on doing your renovation. That'll save you some cost, and sometimes it gets you some of the bells and whistle items without having to pay additional money for it. So when it comes to getting the total cost of your kitchen renovation, you can use several things. First, a plain spreadsheet. This is a spreadsheet that will help you in every category that we've listed here. Again, it's your ultimate home improvement guide, and we broke it down into a spreadsheet for each of the different rooms that you have. Just take the kitchen one if that's what you're working on right now, and this is applicable to any other room in your house too. We did all the major areas of your home, but let's just take the kitchen. And then after you've done some research online, whether you're buying it online, whether you're buying a big box store, whether you're buying your products or your appliances or your faucet, wherever it happens to be, and lay it out in your final, this is the low end cost, this is the high end cost, these are, this is where I am. On the ones that you don't care, plug it in there. But go through and do all 25 areas and plug in your numbers. And at the end, total them up. You can do the equals and you do the formula in a spreadsheet. You could hand do it, but if you're gonna be working with a contractor, make sure that you know if you are the one that's buying it or are they sending you, and that's another tip. Sometimes a contractor will work with a particular store. We have found that when we've gone to that store that some of the things were more high-end than what we were willing to do with our budget, and we offered, in order to go and get the items ourselves, instead of having the contractor come and deliver, go and order it and bring it and deliver it. We worked out a deal for both ways. Sometimes I was okay to go and get the items. Sometimes it made more sense for them with their truck and their equipment to bring it to the store. But do a spreadsheet. Know exactly which area you're going to do, and then add it up. And then that's when you can decide. You can go back to one of the other episodes that we have as far as DIY or contractor. Sometimes you might find, hey, my budget, I've exceeded my budget. I already did low end, high end. You can adjust it there. You can also adjust it to, okay, I guess I'll do this and I'll hire the contractor out to do this. But have it all written down in one area. Trust me, this is one of the things that we learned from the system of flipping numerous homes, is that you need it written out so that you know whose job is what, so that when you're in the thick of it and you're trying to get jobs done and you've passed a deadline or whatever, and we'll talk about deadlines on a whole nother issue. This is cost for right now. But you know what you've spent and you know what you are supposed to be delivering, and it's all in one spreadsheet, one area. So make sure you put all of your costs into one area, you'll know what it is, and then from there you can kind of make the cuts or additions depending on where you are at that time. Okay, something else that's going to influence your kitchen renovation cost is where you buy your products. This one, man, it's all over the place based on where you are, what your price range is, what your options are, how high end or how low end you want to go. But let's just take, for instance, big box stores. We all have them, whether it's a Lowe's, whether it's a Home Depot, whether it's a Busy Beaver, whether it's a CNC Lumber here in our area. But there are box stores that are able to bring down the price of whatever it is that you're going to get, and they're a good place to go for resources such as your, let's say your not your countertop, although you could get your countertops there. You could get your countertops there, you could get your flooring there, you can get your sinks there, you can get all of your appliances, your lighting. When you deviate from the big box store, so for instance, when I was doing my bathroom shower, they told me that I couldn't do normal tile on the floor and that I'd want to go get something that was kind of pebbly. And at the time, I didn't see anything that I liked at Home Depot or Lowe's, so somebody recommended a tile specialty store. Gorgeous, amazing quality stuff. The tile that I bought for the floor of my shower cost twice as much as the rest of the entire shower that I bought at a big box store. So when you do go to a specialty store, obviously you're going to maybe get something more unique, you're going to get something more high end, you might get something that just you know, maybe a different size, but just know that when you're going to a specialty store, especially I know even in this area for appliances, we try to go to our non-big box store in order to support local business. And you're going to pay maybe a little bit more there, or maybe there's not quite the selection, but that's gonna, where you shop is going to affect the cost of your overall kitchen renovation. So take that into account, and maybe you shop around. Some things you order at a big box store, some things you do at a small local mom and pop store. So you can go either way on that. Well, my friends, this brings us to the conclusion of this episode where we're talking about kitchen renovation cost. It's going to be different for everybody depending on whether you go with a low, mid, or high range of item. Also, which items you're choosing to do on your renovation. If you're going full gut, you'll want to talk about most of these, and then maybe it's just a short little renovation, and I hope that you download our spreadsheet that will help you with those things. So make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss any more of the episodes that we have to offer on any of the renovation projects that we're doing, as well as any other DIY projects. So talk to you soon.